Are you curious about the future of XDC network? Stick around as we break down how much 80,000 XDC coins could be worth by 2025. From market trends to expert predictions, we've got all the insights you need. Don't miss out on this potential crypto goldmine. But before we continue with the video, if you guys want to trade crypto, you can do so with BloFin, and if you register with my link below, you have a chance to win up to $5,000 in bonuses. At the time of recording, XDC, the native cryptocurrency of the XDC network, was trading at about 3 cents per coin with a live market cap of about $450 million. The coin's current valuation is at least 84% less than its all-time high value of about 19 cents, which suggests that it still has a lot of ways to go for it to be considered in pole position to set a higher price level than it has ever attained by its standards. The gap between its current price and its all-time high shows how much growth potential the token possesses, which could, in a way, lure in the attention of traders looking for some profits in the long term. To put some value on how much a return to its all-time high would bring to any investor, consider a scenario where you buy 80,000 units worth of this coin at 3 cents, the current price. You would have to pay up to $2,400. If you hold on to that number of tokens until the coin reaches 19 cents, 80,000 XDC would be worth about $15,200. If you do the math, you'll find that the total profit on the coin would amount to about $12,800 or more if the token ventures beyond the price level. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and TON, the big stars of the current crypto market, are the top dazzling performers that have mostly kept the hopes of many crypto traders alive, even as we all look towards what the bull run will turn out to be like. Altcoins generally have not witnessed an all-around revival that you would expect at this time of the year. If any, there have been only a few individual performances, but there is still greater hope in what other smaller-valued altcoins like XDC can still bring to small investors like you and me, who may not have what it takes to grapple with the whales on the big dogs like Bitcoin. But you can also impose yourself through a token like XDC, which you can obtain for a bargain price. I say this because XDC was trading at almost twice its current value of about $0.057. If you chose to buy 80,000 XDC at the time, you would have coughed out about $4,560 just to buy and hold on for almost an eternity. What we have now is a minor setback and could provide the platform of entry for some people who just want to buy XDC or those who are already in a position to DCA in on the coin and accumulate more tokens for the long climb back up while racking up profits in the long run. I can think of many profit levels for XDC in 2025, but the most modest is the 10 cents price. I know this level is lower than its all-time high, but it can be considered a relatively moderate exit price for anyone who buys in at the current price. Any upswing from 3 cents to 10 cents would mean that investors have earned a more than 3x boost in the coin's value. This means that if you had just $1,000 worth of XDC, you could be worth more than $3,000. Because of this upswing potential, many crypto enthusiasts like me appreciate the small but significant 2 times or 3 times pump in the value of any altcoin. It promises the kind of profit you wouldn't endure with Bitcoin or Ethereum. At that price, owning 80,000 XDC would be worth at least $8,000 in total. All these are not meant just to hype you up to rush into buying the coin. Instead, it should provide perspective into what makes for the potential performance of coins. My ultimate prediction for XDC by 2025 is more modest than you think. The 40 cents to 50 cents price level is a fair amount of expectations. At that level, you can expect your portfolio to have a value of at least $32,000 or about $40,000. This would be an exciting return, considering it would cost just $2,400 to buy that much XDC at the current price. It is more than a 10x performance from this level, and would go a long way to setting a bigger and better all-time high for the coin to thrive at for a while, before the bull run eventually phases out in 2025. It is not good enough to dismiss a coin's potential just because of the massive buying opportunities it presents. The fact that XDC is a product of an enormous network of utilities undergoing drastic improvement helps put perspective on other positive factors that could make the token grow into a much more valuable token. The XDC network is a blockchain designed to support trade finance and the tokenization of real-world assets, which is called RWAs. This highly optimized, EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain uses a delegated proof-of-stake mechanism, enabling transaction times of just seconds, near-zero gas fees, and a high throughput of transactions per second. Secure, scalable, and highly efficient, The XDC network powers a diverse range of innovative blockchain use cases and offers state-of-the-art infrastructure for enterprise-grade applications. Its architecture allows for the creation of sovereign subnetworks, uniquely suited for entities requiring dedicated blockchain environments with enhanced permissions and control. This includes government agencies, financial institutions, and businesses, all of which can benefit from the XDC network's robust capabilities. XDC Network is positioned to support a suite of RWA products that will make trade finance assets widely accessible to capital markets, while enabling finance-starved SMEs to access the financing they need. An upcoming upgrade to the consensus mechanism, XDC 2.0, is currently being tested to see if it will become a severe contender in the rapidly expanding world of blockchain technology and business applications. This upgrade, along with future iterations of the XDC network protocol, will significantly enhance the security of the consensus mechanism. It will also introduce a novel judiciary branch into the consensus process, further strengthening the network's integrity and reliability. The coin was launched at about $0.0031, but quickly hit its all-time low of about $0.00039 per coin. XDC is technically 10x up from its initial launch price and ahead of its all-time low. Brink and XDC Network are excited to introduce the launch program, a new 12-week Web3 accelerator designed to bring the next generation of quality builders and projects onto the XDC network. XDC Network's robust blockchain infrastructure, financial support, and exclusive access to industry experts and investors will benefit shortlisted projects. The program is designed to prepare teams for investors, ensuring effective product positioning and successful pitching. Participants will receive curated introductions to Brink and XDC's extensive investors and strategic partners network. The Brink X XDC launch program is a virtual accelerator focused on onboarding the next wave of quality builders and projects onto the XDC network. Through this program, projects and founders will accelerate through their growth and fundraising stages with advisory support, mentorship, curated workshops, and unrestricted access to Brink and XDC's extensive ecosystem of users, projects, investors, and strategic partners. This ultimately would not just bring project developers who would back their project with a handy stash of XDC tokens, but also onboard new investors in the newly developed projects who would come to buy XDC and use it in buying these new tokens. It is the birth of a new DeFi ecosystem focused on RWAs, and with more significant long-term sustainability than one could ever hope to enjoy from dealing in a pure meme coin DeFi market. There can be no hits or misses in this set, and the XDC network hopes to ensure that. So, if the idea of this works out, we might see XDC touching at least $1 in a couple of years, and at that price, 80,000 XDC would be worth about $80,000. Of course, we would be treading the borders of what is realistic at that price, but it would surely be something to savor and look forward to. Please note that this video is not financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research before engaging with any coin discussed on this channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. What's your prediction for XDC by 2025? Drop them in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.